In the previous lesson, we set all the events for e-commerce checkout process. In this video, I will go over the GA4 reports where you can see this data. As your tags go live, you will start to see the data in real-time reports. Here you can see add to cart, add payment info, add shipping info, begin checkout, and purchase events. Clicking on any of these events will show you the parameters that are being collected along with that event. So you can see the value, transaction ID, tax, shipping, etc. Once the data is processed by GA4, you will start to see the data in e-commerce purchase report under monetization. It takes about 24 hours for the data to show up here. We already looked at item views and add to cart as well as cart to view rate in the previous lessons. Implementing the events of the checkout process populated e-commerce purchases, purchase to view rate, item purchase quantity, and item revenue. E-commerce purchases shows you the total number of orders. Purchase to view rate shows you the percentage of the times a particular product was purchased compared to the number of times it was viewed. Item quantity is the quantity of that item that was sold, and item revenue is the total revenue generated by selling that product. Various dimensions that get populated by these events are available in the Explore section for you to create your custom exploration. In order to learn more about exploration, check out the reporting section of the GA4 course. Go ahead and look through these reports, and I will see you in the next video.